What's up? Okay, today I'm doing a review because I'm a big fan of coffee in the morning, and I found out recently that my body doesn't necessarily love dairy. Like, my mind loves dairy, my soul loves dairy. I'm a big fan of cheese, this is true. But it makes me gassy and slow, and it makes it really difficult for me to lose weight. And in particular, Starbucks sweet cream cold brew, cruel mistress. It'll set me back, and then it'll make me want other things like ice cream. And we know ice cream is the enemy when it comes to trying to cut body fat. Let's be real. I said it. Anyway, so in my coffee, I've been using this right here. So delicious. Organic coconut milk. It was on sale though, so it ended up being about the same price as a normal quart of, say, 2% milk, 1% milk, skim milk, or even whole milk. What is this? This is a quart. It's a half gallon. But let me tell you the specs on this because it's kind of amazing. Okay, so 45 calories for 1 cup. Not half a cup. Not half a cup. 1 whole cup. 45 calories only. Amazing. Let's move on down to fat. So 4.5 grams versus, let's see what milk, regular 2% milk, how many grams of fat? Okay. In one, that's 1%. I'm talking about 2% milk. 2% milk. 2% milk. Anyway, more. This is, Google sucks because I literally just typed in 2% milk fat grams and I got 2.4 grams, and then it says type of milk, 1% fat. Oh wait, it's got a drop down menu. I'm an idiot. Okay, 4.9. So a little bit less. Not much less fat. Let's see, saturated fat. The most important part of why I picked this though are when we get to proteins and sugar. You're gonna see. Alright. Saturated fat, 2% milk. 3.1. Okay, so there's more saturated fat in this. But sugar, less than 1 gram of sugar. Less than 1 gram of sugar. That's like 2% sugar. 13 grams. 1.3 versus less than 1 gram here. I'll show you. Okay, what? And then protein. No protein here. Interesting. Okay, so that's where the sugar and protein balance is kind of tricky, because in 2% milk, 8 grams of protein. So you're sacrificing 7 grams of protein, which for me is okay because I really like eggs, I really like chicken, I like protein powder, yada yada. So I tend to go over protein. I don't need any more. But most importantly, the sugar. The sugar makes you want more. So when you drink cold, delicious 2%, even whole milk, and it's got 13 motherfucking grams of sugar in it, it's like you might as well have half a Snickers. It's not good for you. Anyway, so, what do we learn here? Trade-offs. Sometimes you're going to have more of one thing, less the other thing, but you want to try different things. And this actually definitely made me less farty, a little bit less sluggish. And it tastes sweet without having to add a lot of sugar to it. It's unsweetened, but it still tastes nice and sweet. It's a little bit of a coconut flavor, so if you're not a fan of coconut, you might be like, but really it presents kind of more as a sweetness that you get without the sugar, the added sugar. It's got 30% vitamin D, so it's got some vitamin D in it, even though it doesn't have that protein element that regular milk would have. And it does contain coconut. And it's processed in a facility that processes soy, but it does not contain soy. Not a fan of soy either. Same effect as milk. So,